It's always interesting me when I can run across a successful individual who has forged their own destiny, who've gone forth and said, you know what, I'm going to do what I want to do. And that's the person that you are going to meet right now on the Kim Komando special caller line. It's Nina Justman. Hello there, Nina.
Hello, Kim. Pleasure to meet you.
Now,
How are you?
yes, finally we meet. Okay, well, here's the deal. Let
Yes,
me tell you,
finally.
folks. My husband loves to collect airline glasses, but over time they break. And so I went onto Etsy and I was trying to find these glasses, and I was like, lo and behold, I'm like, yes, here I am. I found it in the Divine Whimsy shop on Etsy. So I wrote Nina a note and I said, gave her the whole story. And I said, oh, my dad used to work for United Airlines. And so United Airlines glasses are really important to me. And then I started looking at all the other stuff that you're selling. And boy, Nina, you have this great little enterprise going.
Well, my dad was in the antique business, so I was around old stuff all my young life. And then, like when I was around 25, I just started really getting into the things that I was interested in, not the things that he was interested in. And it was always this sort of whimsical 60s, 70s, mostly actually earlier then. It was really mid-century.
But the thing that impressed me with you, and gosh, I've been buying stuff from you for, I guess, almost a year now, is
Yeah.
that your customer service is tops. Because I remember that United Airlines glass. Now, you don't know me from Adam, and I don't know you, but I wrote you a note and I said, I'm really looking for United Airlines glass. And then you wrote me back, you said, hold on, I think I'm going to have one in a few days. You care, you put that personal touch. And I guess that would probably be, if we're passing along some success tips, I guess that would probably be number one, wouldn't it?
Well, I think my feeling is I always send people a really beautifully wrapped item with a piece of candy and a personal note. And I cannot tell you how many comments I get from people saying, thank you for your kindness. Thank you for the sweet candy. Thank you for the little surprise.
What would be another success tip that you could pass along?
Well, I think the other success tip is that you have to realize you're dealing on Etsy with an algorithm. So like you could be at the bottom of that barrel for a year before you're going to start to see your numbers move up and your placement is better. I mean, I had crappy placement for a really long time, and that was not any fault of my own. It's just the way it is. But I think if you start out with something in your shop that people are really going to want, even if it's not something you're going to make a lot of money on, you're going to get that movement up, because every time you sell something and every time you get a look, it's like it's this magic thing. It kind of moves everything up.
So any parting words on a wannabe Etsy seller?
I would say just go out there and do it. Take really pretty pictures, because people are the pictures will appeal to them. They will decide between yours and someone else's based on how pretty the picture is. So make pretty pictures, be reasonable. Most people are not going to spend their life savings in an Etsy shop. It's not, Louis Vuitton. It's Etsy. We're selling little fun things, and it should be something affordable. And I think be sincere in your attempt to relate to your customers, because I think they feel it. They really, really do.